and you'll have a man cookie. I don't know if I can face it. You'll need one in each cup. So what you're gonna do is put the cookie in the water. Put the cookies in the water. You'll have 4 cups. You'll have 4 cups, and you'll put 1.5 cup of. You'll put 1.5 bottle, 1.5 cup of water, and you'll mix it with the orchid solution. And what you're gonna do is put it in the cookie. Put it in the water. Next, put the cookie in the water and see if it breaks apart. Then if each water, see if it breaks apart. If it stays together, and we'll see. You're going to team up with groups. Lena, Gigi, and Helena. You'll be a group together on that side.